Assalamu alaikum. Today in this video we can start from question number 146. So now move toward the question. The question is vesicles of Golgi complex are formed by process of Tisch. Option A budding, option B photosynthesis, option C multiple fission, and option D fusion. So uh, if you draw the structure of Golgi complex, then we can easily find the answer of this MCQ. The Golgi complex structure is like this. This is small vesicle type which are formed from these cisternae. This is called cisternae, and this is called vesicle, which are formed from these cisternae. So this vesicle of Golgi complex are formed by process of budding, because these type of buds are formed from these cisternae. And this vesicle is formed by the process of budding, and in the start these buds are formed, and then they are released from these Golgi bodies as a packet. So the vesicles of Golgi complex are formed by process of budding. Option A is the correct option, which is budding. Okay, the next MCQ. Dish produces cell secretion. Option A nucleus, option B ribosome, option C mitochondria, and option D RNA. ओके कौन सा सेल का कौन सा ऑर्गेनरी है जो कि सेल की सिक्रीशन को के प्रोडक्शन में हेल्प करता है. सो if we move toward the option B, ribosome. So ribosome is the structure which can help in the formation of protein. And ribosome, when attached to the endoplasmic reticulum, so we called it rough endoplasmic reticulum, and they help in the synthesis of protein. So we call this type of protein secretory protein. Secretory protein, and this secretory protein is any protein which is secreted by cell. So these secretory protein include many hormones, enzyme, toxin. Secretory protein are synthesized in the endoplasmic reticulum. And which type of endoplasmic reticulum? Rough endoplasmic reticulum, because rough endoplasmic reticulum is responsible for the synthesis of protein. So this secretory protein contain many types of secretion like toxins, enzymes, because enzyme is also a protein, and hormones. So ribosome is involved in the cell secretion and the help in the production of cell secretion. So the correct option is option B, which is ribosome. So ribosome produce cell secretion. Okay, question number 148. Dish convert the secretion into finished product. Option A budding, option B ribosomes, option C Golgi bodies, and option D mitochondria. ओके कौन सा ऑर्गेनरी है जो कि सिक्रीशन को फिनिश्ड प्रोडक्ट में कन्वर्ट करता है. तो हमारे पास गोल्जी ऑपरेटस या गोल्जी बॉडीज़ का जो फंक्शन है वो एज अ फैक्ट्री है, जो प्रोटीन को रिसीव करता है एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम से, और फिर उसे फर्दर उसकी प्रोसेसिंग करता है, उसको उसके ट्रांसपोर्ट में हेल्प करता है, उसे फाइनल डेस्टिनेशन तक ले जाता है. तो फाइनल डेस्टिनेशन मीन्स उसे फिनिश्ड प्रोडक्ट में कन्वर्ट करता है. तो गोल्जी बॉडीज इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन, विच इज ऑप्शन सी. सो गोल्जी बॉडीज कन्वर्ट द secretion into finished product. Okay, question number 149. Ribosomes are composed of dash and dash. Option A RNA DNA, option B RNA protein, option C protein and DNA, and option D none of the above. So we have ribosome and we have chromosome. The ribosome composition is, ribosome are composed of RNA, rRNA plus protein, and the composition of chromosome is DNA plus protein. So the composition of ribosome and chromosome are same, but here in ribosome RNA is attached with protein, and in chromosome DNA is attached with protein. So in option we have RNA DNA, option B RNA protein. So RNA protein is the correct option. So option B is our correct option. Okay, ribosome are composed of RNA and protein. Okay, next question, number 150. Dish is the process of digestion of foreign particle by cell. Option A endocytosis, option B phagocytosis, option C pinocytosis, and option D all of the above. Okay, we have cytosis. Cytosis have two types. Cytosis is a process of transport of material, so the transport may be into the cell or outside the cell. So on the basis of this direction of movement, we have endocytosis and exocytosis. Endocytosis is a process in which the material are moved inside the cell, and exocytosis is a process in which the material moved outside the cell. So endocytosis have further two types. We have phagocytosis and pinocytosis. So pinocytosis is the transport of liquid material, and phagocytosis is the transport of solid material. So here in question they are asking that dish is the process of digestion of foreign particle by cell, means digestion of solid particle. क्योंकि सॉलिड पार्टिकल की डाइजेशन होती है, लिक्विड की तो नहीं होती, तो यहाँ पर डाइजेशन की बात है तो इट मीन्स द सॉलिड पार्टिकल आर engulfed by cell. So solid particle engulfing, the process in which the solid particle engulfed by cell is known as phagocytosis. Phagocytosis is the type of endocytosis, and endocytosis is the type of cytosis. So here in options we have option B phagocytosis. So phagocytosis is the process of digestion of foreign particle by cell. So option B is the correct option. Okay, next the question number 151. Polysomes are formed by dash and dash. Option A mRNA and DNA, option B DNA protein, option C mRNA protein, and option D mRNA and ribosome. So the diagram of polysome is like this. We have mRNA, messenger RNA, and many ribosomes are attached to this messenger RNA. We have this is small subunit of ribosome, and this one is large subunit of ribosome. So many ribosome attached to the mRNA is known as polysome. This structure is known as polysome. This is ribosome, many ribosome attached to the mRNA and messenger RNA. So this polysome are formed by dash and dash. So polysome are formed by mRNA and ribosome. So in option D, mRNA and ribosome is the correct option, because polysome are formed by mRNA and ribosomes. So option D is the correct option. Okay, question number 152. Mesosomes are found in dash cells. Option A prokaryotic, option B eukaryotic, option C both A and B, and option D none of the above. Okay, what is mesosome? Mesosome is convoluted membranous structure formed in a prokaryotic cell by invagination of plasma membrane, and this mesosome help in the synthesis of cell wall, replication of DNA, and help in equal distribution of chromosome in daughter cell. So during the formation of daughter cell, so mesosomes are found in prokaryotic cell, and in prokaryotic cell they help in cell wall synthesis, replication of DNA, and also in equal distribution of chromosome in daughter cell. So option A is the correct option, which is prokaryotic. So mesosomes are found in prokaryotic cell. Okay, question number 153. Vesicles of Golgi bodies are derived from dash. Option A ref endoplasmic reticulum, option B smooth endoplasmic reticulum, option C mitochondria, and option D all of the above. So Golgi bodies का जो वेसिकल है वो कहाँ से डिराइव्ड होता है, तो the correct option is option B, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, because the rough endoplasmic reticulum is attached to the nucleus, and then smooth endoplasmic reticulum start. So the vesicle are formed from smooth endoplasmic reticulum because this is the end part of endoplasmic reticulum. So that's why the option B is the correct option. Question number 154. Ribosomes are synthesized in dish. Option A, nucleus. Option B, nucleolus. Option C, both A and B. And option D, none of the above. Ribosomes are synthesized in nucleus, but in which part of the nucleus? So in nucleus, for example, this is nucleus. This is inside in the center of the nucleus we have genetic material. We called it nucleolus, and here ribosomes are synthesized. Ribosome synthesized. So we also called it the ribosome factory because the ribosomes are synthesized in nucleolus. So we called it ribosome factory, the factory of ribosome, because here ribosome are synthesized. So if in option अगर nucleolus नहीं हो, अगर option में nucleolus नहीं होता तो हम nucleus को correct option consider करते, but here nucleolus is also present, so the most correct option is nucleolus, which is option B. So ribosomes are synthesized in nucleolus of the nucleus. Okay, question number 155. Amount of dash and dash is similar in ribosome of eukaryotic cell. Option A, RNA protein. Option B, protein DNA. Option C, DNA RNA. And option D, none of the above. We have ribosome in prokaryotic cell as well as in eukaryotic cell. So the percentage of ribosome in prokaryotic cell is in prokaryotic cell we have 40% RNA plus 60% protein, while in eukaryotic cell we have half RNA plus half protein. So we also said that it has 50% RNA plus 50% protein. So in question they are asking that amount of dash and dash is similar in ribosome of eukaryotic cell. So our ribosome is composed of RNA and protein. Option A is the correct option, and which is similar in percentages found in eukaryotic cell. So option A is the correct option because RNA and protein amount is similar in eukaryotic cell, while in prokaryotic cell their percentages are different. Question number 156. In Golgi bodies, dash are converted into glycolipids. Option A, protein. Option B, vitamins. Option C, carbohydrate. And option D, all of the above. Okay, glycolipid. What is glycolipid? Glycolipid are composed of galactose sugar and glycerol lipid molecule. So glycolipid and their function is so glycolipid is composed of galactose sugar plus glycerol lipid molecule. So they are composed of lipid and carbohydrate because glycolipid. So they are composed of this is conjugate structure which is composed of 2 macromolecules. So they are carbohydrate are converted to glycolipid in Golgi bodies. And what is the function of glycolipid? Their function is to maintain stability of membrane and facilitate cell-cell interaction. So the correct option is option C, which is carbohydrate. So in Golgi bodies, carbohydrate are converted to glycolipid. Question number 157. Fusion is a process which forms dish. Option A, Golgi bodies. Option B, cisternae. Option C, both A and B. And option D, none of the above. Okay, in Golgi bodies, the cisternae are present. So they are formed. How they are formed? Cisternae are formed by the process of fusion. When two bodies combine, they fused into each other. So this process is called as fusion. So cisternae is formed by the process of fusion. Option B is the correct option. Okay, question number 158. Largest ribosomal unit sediments 8 dish. Option A 40, option B 50, option C 60, and option D 70. So, in eukaryotic cells, we have ribosome subunits. The subunit of ribosome, small subunit, is 40 Swedberg, and large subunit is 60 Swedberg. They form 80 Swedberg ribosome in eukaryotic cell. So in here the largest sediment is 60 Swedberg. So option C is the correct option, which is 60 Swedberg. Largest ribosomal unit sediments at 60 Swedberg. Okay, question number 159. Dash control the attachment of subunit of ribosome. Option A iron ion, option B magnesium ion, option C calcium ion, and option D none of the above. So the ribosomes are attached to each other through magnesium ion. The small subunit is attached to large subunit through magnesium ion. So the magnesium ion control the attachment of ribosome subunits. Okay, question number 160. There is no dish in animal cell. Option A plastid, option B nucleus, option C centriole, and option D all of the above. So nucleus is present in animal cell as well as in plant cell. Centriole is also present because they help in motility. And plastid, okay, plastid is not present in animal cell. So why plastid is not present, and what is the function of plastid? So plastid is a double membrane bounded organelle, and this is found in plant cell and as well as in algae. And the function of plastid is manufacturing and storing of food. It also contains pigments, which is used in the photosynthesis, and also different types of pigments they contain, which can change the color of cell. So they contain pigments, and pigment help in the photosynthesis, and plant is responsible for the photosynthesis, and animal cell is not responsible for the photosynthesis. So that's why plastid is found in plant cell, not found in animal cell. ओके इस वीडियो में हमने 15 क्वेश्चन डिस्कस किए हैं, और नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो है वो हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे. सो तब तक के लिए खुदा हाफिज़.